Shinshiv, Smisha Killiespik Machgerish. I'm Killiespik Ferguson, your Scottish Gaelic speech coach, here to help you get rid of English words and sounds from your Scottish Gaelic. And as you can see, a bit of a damp day here in the Isle of Skye. She la fluchahoun. She la fluchahoun. And I very often hear an English word there for the word wet in Gaelic. She la fluchahoun. Not quite there. So how do we change it? We need a few things. We have the kind of palatal L sound in Gaelic, which is not a L sound, it's L. L. With a bit more tongue up in the palate. And we have a slight changing vowel. U, going into a round sound. And then the CH, which is our guttural fricative sound at the back here. And we put those together, we get fluch. Fluch. And notice how short the vowel is. Very short. It's not fluch. It's the vowel is just u. Fluch. Shall la fluchahoun. That's better. Shouldn't have shared. If you want more tips on how to get rid of these kind of sounds from your Gaelic and produce a more authentic Gaelic voice, subscribe to my channel.